Good job, pal. Looking good, man. Looking good, buddy. Dress these things up. Charging off solar right now. This is working spectacularly. Let's see what we got. 213, 406 volts. Let's see what kind of amps we got. 5.7 amps. It's funny because that's what this is taking. So this is my EV charger plugged into a 50 amp. And that's the video I did the other day where I made that little box just for this jumper. So I could take this level 1 and make it into a level 2 based on the nameplate. Right, 120, 240. So it's charging 16 amps at 240 volt into Chevy Volt. And this thing will charge up so fast. 9 miles of battery range, but not for long. It's been great. The only thing that's not been great is how the Pal Mister gave me a trouble for the first 6 months, and all the cardboard that you aggregate when dealing with Amazon and everything being shipped. They got to come up with a way to take all this corrugated. I'm surprised Amazon doesn't have a, oh, just flatten your boxes and we'll pick them up. Because you can, corrugated's worth money. Anyway, how's you guys doing? We'll see you later from New Jersey. Sunny day, well, semi-sunny day. Talk to you guys later.